Hello everyone, my name is Kavya. I study to UKG Kids Casa Preschool Baswanagar branch.
Hello everyone, my name is Dia. I am studying in the UKG Kids Castle Preschool Baswanagar branch.
One of the main gods of Hindu Sahitya Dharma is the Lord Mahadeva or Lord Shiva. He is known as the Mahayogi, the Arya Yogi, the first of all yogis.
Shiva is also known as the destroyer of all evils from the universe only to recreate it. Shiva is often shown with third eye to represent his wisdom and anger. Audravadara.
Right, he has so many rupa, so many names. One of them be the Lord of them. Our first performance is dedicated to Lord Shiva, our one who allowed himself to associate with anger, devotion, meditation. He became happy, love with prayers.
Let us all join hands to pray to the destroyer of all evil, to remove all obstacles from our life.
Thank you.
The stage is all set and children are excited to show you their first performance. Coming from Kids Castle Preschool Baswanagar is the invocation Shiva Vandana. We are starting the Buzz 12 Rasa Utsav. All of you join your hands together for the first performance here.
संहारः सकललोकाय सर्वभूताय सत्य साक्षात्करा ओम शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं हर 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 महादेव अंड ब्रह्मांड कोटि अखिल परिपालना पूर्णा जगत् कारणा सत्य देव देव प्रिया वेद वेदार्थ सारा यज्ञ यज्ञोमया निश्चला दुष्ट निग्रह सप्तलोक संरक्षणा सोम सूर्य अग्निलोचना श्वेत ऋषभ वाहना शूलपाणि भुजंग भूषणा सुहस्त नमः ओम शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं ओम शिवोऽहं रुद्रनामं भजेऽहं सहस्रशूलत्रिशूलगात्रम् सत्यप्रभाव दिव्यप्रकाशमन्त्रस्वरूपमात्रम् निष्प्रपञ्चादि निष्कलङ्कोऽहं निजपूर्णबोधहं प्रत्यगात्माहं नित्यब्रह्मोऽहं स्वप्रकाशोऽहं सच्चित्प्रमाणमो मूलप्रमेयमो अयं ब्रह्मास्मि ओमहं ब्रह्मास्मि